We got oil coming out of everywhere. Nope.
China pan, zero gasket.
All right, on this episode, we get 60% of the cab mounted, the engine mounted, and the transmission up on a ratchet strap. And then we throw the front end on. All right, so hopefully in this episode, we put an engine in here. We're gonna roll this out, bring all the lumber in, and build a dolly. With that, we just have to get this out. See if this works. Nope, apparently we don't have that editing yet. All right, well, guess we're gonna clean up around it and kick it out. There's blocks of wood behind it. All right, now that that's out, let's try this again. Holy shit, I think it worked. All right, now we have a dolly. So now the truck has to come in, has to go on its own dollies, squish it against that wall, bring the picker in, pick it up, put it on this, roll the frame out, roll this out, roll the truck back in, bring the engine in, put the transmission on it, start putting it in the frame. I think we can handle that. Let's see what happens. All right, let's get this thing in.
I did it all, I played pretend, I moved the mountains to be your friend. I want to know if it mattered.
Woo!
I would have gone to war for you, I would have bent the earth.
I think that'll work. All right, so I think what I'll do is I'll pick it up, scooch it back this way, roll the frame out, roll the dolly under it, set it down, push cab out, bring the frame back in, and then we should be good to eventually bring the engine in and stuff. It's either gonna go really good or really bad. Definitely didn't go as planned, but it's off now. So let's destroy a rocker panel. Bet it's lighter now. How am I gonna get it on there now? Put this over here. So, and then walk it forward onto it maybe? Oh geez, that's not as nice as I thought it was gonna be. I mean, like, it's on there. Absolutely annihilated that rocker panel. So, let's work on getting an engine mounted in this chassis, and then we can put the cab back on without destroying the rocker panels again. My daughter was nice and came in and cleaned up the frame. And this is apparently what everybody is putting in them. So, let's see how this goes. Made a mess. Okay.
Look at that, everything lines up. China pan, zero gasket.
Make sure your engines are empty before you roll them. But it is setting in the frame rails. Just like that, we got body mounts. All right, we got the body mounts cut out last night. They're just rough for now. We're gonna tack them in place today and then lower the body down on them and see where it sits. The back I have to build from scratch. I can't just plate the top of the body mount. I'm hoping that everything lines up, but this is where we're gonna find out or not. And those are tacked in. All right, so 4 out of 6 body bolts are in, but we have to build the rear body mounts because they're so tall. And with this being a first gen chassis, doesn't accommodate for that. But where she's gonna sit, pretty happy with it. I'm gonna move the box. Now it's fenders, put the rad support in it, or see if we can put the rad support in it. Then if that all goes well, then it looks like the engine has to go back a bit. And then we gotta build a tranny cross member. So it's getting heavy. It was super light when it was just a cabin box. Now not so much. It's a lot heavier than it was. Let's try not to do that too many times. Bingo! Alright, I think that's it for this episode. Dad came over. We were just farting around. Kind of just put the hood and the grill in. But we did get the body mounted. Engine is in-ish. We'll continue to work on that next days off. But I would say that that was a pretty decent set off. Truck's looking mint. I'm excited for the rest of it, obviously, but engine's still got to come out. Got to reseal the pan, cut out the cross member, make more room, slide it forward, and build a tranny cross member. Like I said, I think that's enough for this episode. Catch you on the next one. And the transmission's up on 60% of the cab. Engine. Oh God. Oh God. Come the f on. Well, that'll break in a floor. That's what everybody's putting in a minute. Bring all the lumber in. go this route.